do like a haul because like I got some clothes, and what better way to spend the best years of your life dressed up at home to go nowhere at all. So I'm gonna do the organic things first. I got this really pretty top. I've been seeing this print like all over Pinterest and everything, like this tie-dye kind of print. And honestly, I was not such a big fan of it, but when I got it and I wore the top, I was like, this is exactly what I needed in my life. I needed some green tie-dye print. And you know what? I got 99 problems and a green tie-dye top can solve 4 of them. I'm really into like tight bodycon type of tops right now because like they make me feel more confident, and like the way they hug my body, I don't really feel as starved as I am. I don't know, I just feel more confident. I feel like my posture looks much better. My outfits also look much cleaner. Okay, so next I got this top, and honestly I have been seeing this all over my Instagram, and I actually really like the cut. I love the zip. The material is not my favorite. It's like I don't know, it's very weird. I'm sure that if I go out, I would definitely melt in this material. It's like, it's very stretchy and it feels very synthetic. I don't know what it's called. So it's not my favorite material, but I definitely love how it looks. I think I will wear it more in the winter or when the weather is a bit colder. My sister said that it gives her a very futuristic vibe, so I would definitely agree with that. I love the whole top. It's very nice, and I feel like it can even make like a basic outfit look very good, which I love. Next we have this top. I feel like an angel. I really like the fitting of the top. I was unsure if it will fit me. I got a size S, but I saw this elastic thing peaches. I was like, this can fit me pretty well, I think. I wouldn't recommend this top to someone who does not like a lot of cleavage or like a very busty top. This top is busting, sorry. It also has like a very corset kind of feel to it, which I really like. So I like how it looks, and it's definitely very cottagecore-ish, but ouch. Very Pirates in the Caribbean vibes. Dude, my voice and the way I speak does not go with how I look right now. It just doesn't look okay. And I love this skirt that I got from H&M, but I'm just showing this because it went perfectly with this top. So I looked at the dress and I was like, S can fit me, like it will be maybe stretchable or something, but it's not very well fitting, so I might have to get it altered, but I actually like how it looks. I feel like I just need a leather jacket and like some boots and some nice black glasses to complete the whole look, but this is how it looks. It looks pretty cute. It's a very comfortable dress, and I actually do feel really nice here.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment.
Ladies and gentlemen, her. That did not, no. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, her. I don't know. Beep beep boo boo. I feel like I'm about to go and poison some drinks and like assassin some person. Like I'm just ready to go all Mission Impossible undercover here, like I'm a spy, if you got what I'm trying to say. I feel so powerful in this dress. I just feel like I am it, like I am the hot girl shit. Everyone should be doing me. Confidence in this dress is just pew pew pew. If someone told me that this is going to be a ghost outfit, I would not argue. I would be like, yeah, just kill me. Kill me right now. I don't care. This is my ghost outfit. I look fucking sexy. After wearing this dress, I believe that God is a woman because God is me and I am a woman, so. I also got these pair of pants, and if you don't recognize these, you have been definitely living under a rock, or you don't use Instagram, and that is very healthy for you. But yeah, and they did not fit me from my butt like always because I got a huge ass bag and everyone hates that, so. The material is also not that bad, I just wish it was a bit longer. Got this bikini set and these pair of shorts that I've been wanting for the longest time. I feel like white shorts are just so essential, you know, they can make any outfit look so cute. And they're corduroy and I love the fit is amazing. I love this bikini, it's so cute. It's actually really nice. It fits me perfectly, so I like it. Yeah. Excuse me, where's my croissant? Croissant? Song? I don't know why would I get like a very rich mom vibe from this outfit, and not like in a MILF way, but in a more gaslight, gatekeep, girl boss way, you know, like. This is from a brand called More Than Shapes, and I really like it actually. Look at this. I love the collar, it looks very nice. It gives a very blazer-ish feel, and the kapda is actually really nice. So, yes. And they have this thing also, I don't know what it's called, but it makes it very much interesting, and I love that. And the brand was so sweet. They originally talked about sending like 2 shirts, and then they sent this extra white one, which is so nice. Actually, it is okay. I love the shirt as a cover up. I think it's perfect, and I've been wanting a white shirt as a cover up, and I love the sleeves actually, and I love the design. It's a little different than it's like not like other white shirts, you know. So next we have this wraparound top from the brand called Kaira Rajasthan, and it's actually really nice. You can wrap it in like some really different ways, although there is no one, of course. I mean, there are a lot of different ways I saw, but I think this also looks really nice. The sleeves are very nice. I love how there's still a little bit of desi going on with the print, and I definitely don't wear red a lot, but I think it does look good on me, you know. I like a pop of color. Very romantic, royal actually. I look like a golf dad here, and I actually really like it for some reason. So I got these really cool orange glasses from Urbanic, and I posted a little rant about polo t-shirts on Instagram, and I was like really mad at them because they don't look good on men. They look amazing on women. I have been seeing this trend going around, and I actually saw Emma Chamberlain wearing a lot of these. And I always wanted to get my hands on some, so I found these 2 polo t-shirts for like 500 rupees, and the material is so good, the material is so soft. So there's like a very golf dad vibe going around here, and you know what? Sometimes you just gotta embrace your inner golf dad, and you don't know, maybe his fashion sense would be like a revelation to you or something. Because I love this, and this looks actually really nice under set shorts. Okay, this looks. Also, like I got these I think last month from a brand called Blue Brew, and these are very nice actually. Okay, they're like mom jeans, I think mom or boyfriend fit, and it's very nice. It has got like a little slit here, so it's very nice, very comfortable. I would definitely recommend buying it if you want, and it's very sturdy also.